welcome to the Kong Armor website. Behind me is this is a first generation composite system that we just locked down and encapsulated with our insanely tough lifetime deck armor system. This was first gen composite that was absolutely sun scorched and damaged. It's hard for us to put everything that Kong can do, that Kong's capable of doing, inside of a website. It's very, very hard. I want you to know that. It's a rescue coating that's capable of locking down, peeling deck paints, even thick ones like Bear Deck Over, Restore 10X, Deck in a Day, 4X decks, 5X deck, Deck Correct, right? It'll lock down disintegrating stains. It'll lock down frayed wood and splinters. And it's a thick build, absolutely gorgeous system. Let me show you. This was all old composite, first gen composite that, look, absolutely stunningly gorgeous. It's a tough film technology that's ready to take on life. And I'll tell you, we focus on decks, but we also restore docks and fences and pergolas, gazebos, and occasionally even a house. It's outside of our realm a little bit, but if there's a wood house that has peeling coating on it or something and the homeowner needs help, we'll do it. But one of the best features of Kong, it's super tough, this super tough coating system that's capable of bringing back old damaged wood. One of the best features is something that we call regeneration. What's that mean? Well, this deck owner here in Cincinnati, composite deck system, right? His composite was not capable of regenerating itself when it took on damage. Kong is. So now he has a coating system on here that if it ever gets damaged, he has lifetime limited warranty, lifetime service promise, and under one or two of those things, what's cool about Kong is that we can repair it if it does take on damage somewhere. And the repairs are swift. And if they're under service, they're very affordable. You're locked into affordable rates. I think it's, a couple $100 and you can have a whole deck floor re-rolled out, which is crazy, right? But what I want you to know, visiting our site today, is that it's very hard for me to talk about the first-in-class UV protection, the first-in-class water lock that Kong provides, its expansion and contraction ability, which is absurd. You can remember Stretch where you can pull him out and he'll drop back down? That's what Kong does. While it's encasing wood, while it's encasing composite, it can move with it. And it's hard to put all of that on the front page of a website. So what we're going to do is, below this video here, we're just going to put all the projects and stuff that we're doing lately. And we're going to show you, instead of talking about it, we're going to be about it. And we're going to show you that Kong really is the toughest, most versatile deck armor coating system on the planet today. See you.